Time is speeding up. Days feel like minutes. But what if this is not normal? Look at your life right now. One day feels like it disappears. Weeks go by so fast you don't even notice. Everything feels faster, but why? Is this just normal life or something we were told about long ago? Peace be upon you. Today we are talking about the signs of Qiyamah, the day of judgment that are already happening around us. This is part 1. Sign 1. Time is going fast. Time is one of the clearest signs. Days feel short now. Weeks finish quickly, years pass without feeling them. People always say time is flying. This is not just feeling, this is something that was predicted long ago. Sign 2. Immorality is everywhere. Things that were once hidden are now shown openly. Wrong actions are no longer hidden. They are shown in videos, social media, and daily life. What was shameful before now feels normal to many people. Sign 3. Earthquakes are increasing. All over the world, the ground is shaking more. Earthquakes are happening more often than before. Places that were safe are now also affected. Sign 4. Intoxicants become normal. Things like alcohol and other intoxicants are now normal in many places. What was once clearly wrong is now part of lifestyle and fun. Sign 5. Lots of information, less understanding. There is so much knowledge today. Books, videos, internet everywhere. But real understanding is going down. People know more but understand less. Sign 6. Men wearing silk. Even rules and limits are being ignored slowly. Things once avoided are now becoming fashion. Boundaries are disappearing. Sign 7. Entertainment stars become huge. Singers and dancers become very famous. People follow them like role models. Their lifestyle becomes something people copy. Sign 8. Truth becomes false. A strange thing happened. Truth start looking like wrong and wrong start looking like truth. People believe lies and ignore truth. Sign 9. Against Muslims. A strong warning sign. Nations will come together against Muslims like hungry people gathering for food. Sign 10. Fitna will spread. There will be more problem, more fear, more corruption and more tests for people. Everywhere, people will face distraction, wrong influences and situations that pull them away from truth. And this is only the beginning. These are only some signs, but there are more and they are even more serious. In part 2, we will go deeper. If you want it, stay connected because what comes next is even more shocking.